Okay, once again, let me just summarize. Always prepare well and channelize your fear. Understand, what are you scared about? Is it because you're not prepared? Or is it because you're scared of the audience? They're all coming from senior backgrounds and you don't know how to face them. They might be having knowledge about various other things, but the presentation you are giving about, they might not be well aware as much as you are. So you don't have to be scared about. Try to channelize your fear. Try to understand, what are you really scared about? Okay? Interact with your audience. Don't make it boring. ऑनलाइन में इतना चांस नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए, बट गिवन अ चांस इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू इंटरेक्ट विद audience, wear that smile, do some activities, interact with them, ask them questions, ask them for feedback. Is it okay to go ahead with it? Can I just have your permission? So keep asking them questions. Do not get confused. Okay, confused में अगर confusion नहीं होना चाहिए तो preparation अच्छे से होना चाहिए. And it is also, important to understand that you are not like the master. You need not know everything. For example, somebody asks you a question. It's not that you have to answer every question. It's okay to say, I'm sorry, at this moment, I do not have an answer to this question. Give me some time. I will get back to you. But make sure you get back to that person. Honesty is the best policy. Do not make up answers. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी बोल दो उधर. So don't do that. Don't make up your answers. Don't give false answers. That will again have a question on your credibility. ठीक है? ऐसा मत करो. If you do not know the answer, it's perfectly okay. You can take that question and tell them, give me some time, I'll get back to you, and get back to them within that stipulated time. That is very important. Okay, you can find the answer and get back to them. As I told you, anticipate the questions, and sometimes the questions give you a lead to highlight your point of view. Yes, that happens to me most of the time. They ask me one question which I would have missed out during my presentation. So when they ask me the question, it gives me a chance, an opportunity to elaborate on that and give them a better idea and how I can link it to my presentation. And even remember, while they're asking the questions, they might digress you. There will be certain digressors in the audience. They will distract you asking some irrelevant questions. So you should keep a check on such people. You should bring them back to the content, and you should bring them back to the present situation, whatever is happening. Otherwise, they're time wasters. They are wasting your time. They're distracting you and they're posing you some irrelevant questions. So keep a check on them and bring them back to the present presentation. Okay. So that's how I've summarized, and all the very best to each one of you. I'm sure after making notes, after following all the points, you will be able to make the best of best presentations. I am assured of that. Thank you so much.